Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check whether your iPhone is real or fake by just checking your serial number. So if you want to check whether you bought a real or fake iPhone, and if you want to check by just by simple serial number, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. In settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you can also check for the resetting of your all settings. So after resetting all network setting and settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to go to general again, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS on your iPhone. And after checking for the latest iOS version, you have to simply go to general again, and here you have to simply click on about. And after that, you have to simply make sure that you will find a new kind of option here, which is iPhone coverage. Whether your iPhone coverage is available or not. As you can see, your coverage has been expired. Now what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold on your serial number, and after that you have to simply copy your serial number. Now you have to open the Safari, and here you have to search for iPhone coverage. So here you have to simply search for iPhone coverage weather, and it will take to you the official website of the iPhone Apple Store, and you can simply check for iPhone coverage whether your iPhone is original or not. If it's showing any kind of coverage, then you can simply check your serial number and put it in your website. And after checking for device coverage, you can also find the production or manufacturing date of your iPhone. In this way, you can also check the originality of your iPhone. You have to simply click on that website, and here you have to simply provide your serial number. So here you have to simply paste that serial number, and you have to make sure that you have already copied your serial number. And after that, you have to put the captcha here, and after putting the captcha, you can simply click on done. And after that, you can click on submit, and you will find all the details your iPhone got. So in this way, you can simply check the originality of your iPhone by simply putting your serial number. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.